don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, glasses. Shantae. Did a thing. Ah! Okay, so pretty much, guys, I got my drone. I'm so excited. This is an unboxing video slash drone tutorial slash hopefully it doesn't crash and fall into the big pile of water behind me. Yeah, let's go. Okay. My nails broke like a few days ago, so I'm struggling a little bit. Like a couple of them broke. God, I hope no bugs are crawling on me right now because I feel the grass. I'm really hoping they're not bugs. Okay. Ow. Oh, scratch my chin. Oh, I punched the box, but it's $500. Look at this, the cute little case. It's so cute. You know what? I should have unpacked this at home and then just brought this only. Alright, so the drone is probably inside of there. This is very light, so it's probably just one of the extra, like, wings or something. Oh yeah, it is. It's the extra wings and stuff. Put that back in the box. This is the more combo, in case you guys forgot about my previous video. If you haven't checked that out, definitely go and check the I bought a drone video. I'm super hyped. Okay, there's some more. Okay, these are instructions. Oh, they come in cute little packages. It looks like the Trident gum.
For a good clean feeling, no matter what.
I'm gonna assume this is the battery. Yeah, no, it's the charger. This is probably the extra batteries. Yes, it is. We got 3 extra batteries. Uno, dos, tres. And they're actually kind of heavy. Got some little weight to it. Oh, this is the battery pack to charge all of the batteries. Right there. Alright, and what is this? These are some extra propellers for the drone. And these are wires. I'm sure we'll figure out what these are for. This feels like a charger. These look like extra. These look like extra pieces in case anything happens to the drone. And we got like 2 chargers and some extra pieces. Yeah, I think that is all of the more. So that's what it comes with, guys. With the more. I believe the case is included in that more. Alright, time to get the drone out. Look how tiny it is. Look how tiny. It's so tiny. Oh my god, I didn't realize it was this tiny, y'all. This is actually very small. Look at that. Look at that drone. It's the palm of your hand, y'all. That palm of your hand. This is, the remote control. That control, it's actually bigger than the drone. Look at this. It's actually bigger than the drone. Look at that. That's hilarious. Oh, I can't wait for this. Okay, so let's start taking this off very carefully. I'm not trying to break this thing the moment I get it.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Very careful. Okay, charge the battery before first time use. I already left the house. Okay, so hopefully they better have charged just a little bit. I mean, I did bring some portable chargers with me. Oh, there's no battery in here. So we gotta put the battery in. Okay. Hopefully these are already charged. They should be. Close it. Okay, batteries in. Oh, and I also got my gimbal today that I just bought. You guys, if you guys haven't checked out that video, check out that one as well. My little twerking gimbal. Twerk, 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 twerk. Okay, let me stop. I also got this. I got 250 gigabytes. I love using the Samsung brand. I buy it all the time. Other brands are good. I've had them before. Okay, guys, I've been branded, so definitely use this. Link is in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check it out and get you one. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Something I noticed is that it is sticking out on the outside. The port for the battery right there, as you guys can see. I thought it would have like a cover or something, but guess not. I feel like I'm always putting it in the wrong direction. I did that once, so be very careful. I jammed this into the wrong direction into my computer before, and everything on the drive was gone. Just gone. So mad. I don't remember what's on it anymore because it's been so long, but just telling you, I was very upset. Careful. Ooh, these are so thin. They feel so fragile. Do I pull these open? I think so. Okay. Pull these open, separate, I guess. I mean, it wasn't a struggle to do it. And the ones on the bottom. What is... Oh, it's a cover for the camera, for the eye, when you pack it. Okay. Oh my god, I thought I broke something! I thought I broke something just now. This one's a little harder to pull out. I don't think I'm supposed to. Oh no, you gotta swivel it out. See, don't pull the bottom. The bottom you gotta swivel. You gotta swivel out, okay? The top pulls out, the bottom swivels out. Oh, okay, now this makes more sense. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at my drone. It's so sexy. Look how sexy that is. Damn, Shantae.
It's a best shot.
Damn, girl. Look at the sexy drone. Alright. Let's figure out how to turn it on. Don't force it, y'all. Do not force it. Just move in the direction anything's going. These swivel upwards. Swivel upwards. Okay. And then the back piece, do I pull it? Yes, yes. You pull these towards you. Okay. Don't want to break anything, y'all. Don't want to break nothing. See the instructions? Saying do it that way. Oh, I guess to hold it. Yeah, okay. Okay, I get it. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Oh, this takes picture. Oh, this takes video. Just shoot. Oh, okay. All right. Let's power on. That's the power right there, y'all. There's another button there. See that? There's a picture of record and picture. So that's actually very easy. I thought this would have a lot more buttons. Ooh, it's starting. Okay, so the battery looks like it's 2.5. Okay, so I put the drone back there. It's on the box that it came in on a flat surface. The lights aren't lighting up anymore. Probably should read the instructions. But y'all know me. We just figure it out. So, my fellow Shantae did a thing watcher. It looks like we've been had. We've been bamboozled. Hoodwinked. We've been tricked. Apparently you have to charge it first. You really gotta charge it. It's like beeping one. It's like 4 little dots, and it's like beeping on like 1 to 2, 1 to 2. And it's supposed to take like 8 hours or something to charge, so I guess not today. I'm gonna try to do something else for like an hour and like come back and see if that charges enough of my portable battery, and so hopefully we can charge this before the sun goes down, right? All right, back with you guys in an hour, okay?
Meanwhile.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
The next day.
out to all of my patrons on Patreon, Subscribestar, OnlyFans, No Nudes, Throne, and Cameo. And I hope everyone who subscribed and any future subscribers join my fandom on all of my subscription services because you get more of me.